the men and women of Police Regional Office Mimaropa for their exemplary performance, vigilance, and professionalism that ensured the generally peaceful and orderly observance of Labor Day 2026 without any major untoward incident recorded across the region. All PRO Mimaropa personnel, your dedication, discipline, and operational excellence continue to strengthen public trust and affirm our commitment to a more responsive, capable, and service-oriented police organization because truly, Police Yupo Alerto. True service to the Filipino people is not measured by rank or title, but by one's unwavering commitment to uplift lives and empower communities. Such is the defining character of the distinguished leader we are privileged to honor today. A public servant, educator, and visionary whose career has been devoted to strengthening the pillars of good governance and community development. A true leader who works not for recognition, but for results, and who understands that every act of service contributes to a safer, stronger, and more empowered Philippines. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my distinct honor and privilege to present our guest of honor speaker, the Head Executive Assistant of the National Police Commission, Mr. Alvin S. Mojica.
Ako po ay labis at taus-pusong papasalamat kay RD sa lahat ng kanyang mga kasamang opisyal at lalo na sa inyo. And I do hope and pray that PNP Mimaropa will continue to provide peace and order and public safety programs, projects, and activities para po sa pangkalatang katahimikan ng lahat ng lalawigan at bayan na nasasakupan ng Mimaropa. Ang aking taus-pusong pasalamat po at sa inyong lahat. Maraming salamat po for your warm welcome and hospitality. Mabuhay po ang Pro Mimaropa. Mabuhay po ang kapulisan sa buong Pilipinas.